In this video, we'll start to explore how you can create a drop-down list in Excel. And a drop-down list is very useful to have. However, let me show you first how to make one. Alright, you can see here we have our list of products and we have the matching price. And what do we want is basically this. We want to make a drop-down here where you can say select your item, and once you have a drop-down, you can you're able to select any item on the list. Alright, let's start and work on this. So the first thing what we need to do, and once you are on Excel, you're probably here on the Home tab. What we need to do is we need to go to the Data tab, and in here we select the cell where we want to put in the drop-down list, and then we select Data Validation. Click on this, and once you click on this, it will give you an option here. You can see here the Data Validation tab, and it selects here, or what is the criteria. In our case, a criteria will be a list. So we select here a list. There you are. And then it asks, what is the source? So basically, the list, where's the list starting from? And that's this part here, from A2 all down to A6. So let's click on this button here and select the source. Alright, so you can see here we have it now. Enter. And now we're done here. We can click confirm. Once we click confirm, you can see now we have a nice drop down button here. So if I click on this, you can see the options here. And there you are. So you can see here now we have our items. And this might not look very useful just only if it's only this drop down function, but adding this into a dashboard or connect them all together will become eventually interesting. And I will show you that in one of our other videos. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or you have an issue with this, put in your question down below in the comments and I'll make sure I'll get back to you.